Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com CRM boards for sales tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to your sales tracking dashboard. Open the board you want to update for CRM purposes. Review the existing columns to identify any missing data points. If necessary, click on the Add Column button to create new fields. Choose the column type that best suits the information you want to add. Common types include text, number, status, and drop-down. Once you create a new column, give it a descriptive name. Next, review the items or entries in the board. Identify which entries require updates or additional information. Click on an individual entry to open its details. Add any missing information in the new or existing columns. For status updates, click on the status column to select the appropriate option. You can also use the date column to set deadlines or follow-up dates. If you want to assign team members, find the People column. Click on it and select the relevant team member for that entry. After making all your changes, click on the Update button to save them. Take a moment to verify that all updates are reflected accurately on the board. Utilize filters and grouping tools to organize your entries more effectively. Consider automating repetitive tasks using Monday.com's automation features. Lastly, make sure to regularly revisit and update your board for optimal sales tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.